Welcome to a culinary adventure that's sure to tantalize your taste buds and make your planet-loving heart rejoice. Today, we're going to explore 5 incredible alternatives to meat that not only satisfy your cravings but also contribute to a sustainable and healthier future. Our first stop on this journey is the world of plant-based burgers. These patties have taken the world by storm, and for a good reason. They're made from a blend of plant proteins, such as peas and soy, and are expertly crafted to mimic the taste and texture of beef. With companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods leading the way, you won't believe it's not meat. Our next alternative is an absolute game-changer, jackfruit pulled pork. This tropical fruit has a fibrous texture that, when cooked and seasoned just right, resembles pulled pork. It's a fantastic option for tacos, sandwiches, or even as a pizza topping. Best of all, it's a natural source of vitamins and fiber. A win-win. Now, let's talk breakfast. If you're a bacon lover but want to cut down on meat consumption, tempeh bacon is your answer. Tempeh is a fermented soybean product, and when marinated and pan-fried, it takes on that smoky, savory flavor you crave for breakfast. It's high in protein and super versatile. Craving a hearty steak dinner without the guilt? Enter mushroom steaks. Portobello mushrooms, when marinated and grilled, become a succulent and satisfying meat substitute. They're loaded with umami flavor and make for a luxurious and healthy meal. Last but not least, we have seitan, also known as wheat meat. It's a high-protein, low-fat meat substitute made from gluten. One of the most versatile meat alternatives, seitan is perfect for stir-fries. When marinated and sautéed, it takes on the flavors of your favorite Asian dishes and delivers a chewy texture that's oh so satisfying. There you have it. 5 incredible alternatives to meat that cater to your taste buds and Mother Earth. Whether you're a seasoned vegetarian or simply looking to reduce your meat consumption, these options offer endless culinary possibilities. So, why not take a leap into the world of plant-based deliciousness? Your taste buds will thank you, and the planet will too. Explore these alternatives, get creative in the kitchen, and savor every mouthful. It's a win-win for your health, the environment, and your taste buds. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, a more sustainable and tasty future is just a bite away.